Welcome back, Icons, and if you're new to the channel, we do tech reviews, unboxings, car product reviews, and car reviews also. Today we got a special treat for all of you, so stay tuned. The Luxe ICONC'S taillight tint is perfect for those that want to stand out amongst the crowd and just hate a dull taillight tint in the back. I have a screenshot from my Mac and it'll show you the one that I chose. I chose the carbon fiber dark shade, and this is how much it's going for, $105.99 US. I have a discount code that'll save you a couple of extra bucks. I'll leave it in the description below. Now let's just check it out. This is a brief install of the product. This tint is a vinyl wrap film, so I just want you to keep that in mind, that it does alter the light output for when you press on the brakes, but not that drastic. And to me, I'd rather sacrifice just a little bit of visibility and have that overall beautiful look that I'm looking for. So check it out. And if you go with hands, you could do it by yourself, but I had the professionals do it because I don't want to mess it up. He just basically started off by measuring everything, making sure that he has enough material to use, and cuts it so he can use one piece for the center and one piece that he'll split later in half for the left light and for the right light, as you can see here. I chose to have the symbols removed, so I debadged it to give it an overall clean aesthetic look and keep everything flush. After all the preparation work, such as the debadging, the cleaning of the surfaces, and the cutting up of the film to adjust it for the centerpiece, the left and the right of the light, this is how he just starts to work. So enjoy the rest of the video, and at the end I have pictures of how everything looked. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more future videos.
This beat is produced by K Beats.
Big shout out to Proline New York. They're located in Brooklyn, New York. They're very good with their work and they have reasonable prices. And thank you to the guy who also did the film wrap for my car. I'll leave a description down below of where they're located and their website. After everything is said and done, he just starts to clean up and prepare the edges, and he's going to just cut off all the extra film. And here's a couple of the pictures. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And like always, don't be regular, be iconic. Hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment for future videos. See you on the next one, everybody.
This beat is produced by Jonas KB.